Good morning friends. Today I am welcome you to this online class. Okay. So but I am requesting, before we see this video, I am requesting to just please subscribe our channel. Okay. So that you will get a notification whenever we are uploading the videos. You will get a directly notification if you subscribe our channel. So I am requesting you to please subscribe our channel. Okay. So mathematics standard 5th. We are dealing with the chapter 2, and here we have completed reading the 6-digit number and writing the 6-digit number. Okay, so we have understood what is meant by 6-digit number and how to write 6-digit number. Okay, in this class we will going to be solve the problem set 3. Okay, so first of all means you have to write the problem set 3 in your notebook. Okay, and we will solve the question one by one. Okay, so here first question, as you can see here, you have to write the first question in your textbook. You can see that question 1 is here. Problem set, as you will write in your notebook, problem set 3. First question is, so here we can see that read the numbers and write them in words. Simple. Here numbers, you can see here numbers are written. That means you have to write these in words. So for understanding, we will solve these 4 questions. Okay, and you have to write these questions and answer in your notebook. Okay, so first of all, first question is there. You can see 76523 Okay, so here first question, as you know, first of all we have to write, whenever we are writing answer, solution. Here 7, first of all we'll write the number what is given, 3. As I told you, first of all we'll give the unit place, means we are giving the place value to the numbers, and then we'll write in words. Okay, so first of all is in unit place. Second will be tens place, this will be hundred place, this will be thousand place, this will be 10,000 place, this will be lakh. So this we have given the place value, and now we are going to be write in words. How to write? You can see here. First of all, 7 is in which position? Lakh. 6 is in 10,000 place. 5 is in 1000 place. 2 is in 100 place. 3 is in tens place, and 4 is in unit place. So first of all, here 1000, that means, and here 100 and tens, and so how to read this? We'll read 7 lakh 65,000 234. As I told you, there 1000 means you will read combine this and this 34. So first of all we'll write here 7 lakh 65,000 65,000 200 and 34. So this will become 7,65,234. Now we'll move to our next question. first of all, you will means this way you can write. For understanding, you can write in this way in your notebook. Okay, so we'll move to our second question, which is as well as we have written in question number first, we'll write question number second. 4 7 3 2 2 5. This will be unit, this will be tens, this will be hundred, this will be thousand, this will be 10,000, this will be lakh. That means 4,73,225. This way we are going to be read. So now how to write this? 4 lakh 32,200 and 25. This way you will write the answer. As same, we'll go solve the question number 3. This for just for understanding. Okay, directly you can write inverse, no problem, but just for understanding I am showing how to do. Now first, as we have given the place value, unit, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, this will be lakh. So as we can see, this how we can read: 3,27,000. Now here it is 0. We have to read like this, that 0 100. No, we'll directly leave this because 0 0 is there. Directly we'll jump to 1. So this you can read as 3,27,001. Clear? So this will become 3,27,000 and 1. Clear? We'll move to question number 4. Solution: 8 7 5 3 2 7 5. So this will be unit, this will be 10, this will be 100, this will be 1000, this will be 10,000, this will be lakh. So this will become 8,75,375. Clear? So this way you can write 8 lakh 75,375 and 75. Okay, so we have till question number 4 we have solved this. Okay, so now we'll move to our question number 5, which is there in your textbook here, which is 150,437. Now how to write this in words? As I have written here the place value already. 7 is in unit, 3 is in 10, 4 is in 100, 0 is in 1000, 5 is in 10,000 and 1 is in lakh. So 1 lakh 50, this we will read as combined 50,437 37. So this will be 1,50,437. Clear? Now we'll move to our question number second. This question is 203174. This we have to write in words. So 4 is in unit place, 7 is in tens place, 1 is in hundred place, 3 is in thousand place, 0 is in 10,000 and 2 is in lakh. So 2 lakh, here 0 is there, so we leave this. Okay, so 3,174. So this will be 2,03,174. Question number 7. 6, 4, 7, 8, 5, 1. So here 1 is in unit place, 5 is in tens place, 8 is in hundred, 7 is in thousand and 4 is in 10,000 and 6 is in lakh. So 6 lakh 47,851. So 6 lakh 47,851. Now 8. Question 8. We have written the place value already. 9 is in unit place, 9 is in tens place, 9 is in hundred. Here 0 0 is in thousand place, so 9 lakh. So 9 lakh, this is 0, so we leave this, we will not read 9 lakh 999. So 9 lakh 999. So now we have completed till question number 8. Now this 9, question number 9 and question number 10 is for homework. Okay, so this you have to do. Now we'll move to our question number second. Now we'll move to our question number second, which is question number second. It says that read the numbers and write them in figure. Means here in words they have given and you have to write in figure. So first of all, this question you have to write in your notebook. Okay, as it is given. First question is 1 lakh. That means 1 lakh means we need a 6 digit. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll make a 6 digit. We'll make a 6 digit. Now what we'll do, first of all we'll read that question carefully. 1 lakh means 1 is in which lakh, which place? Lakh. So first of all you will give the unit, tens, hundred, thousand, here 10,000 and here lakh. So here 1 lakh, 1 is in which place? Lakh. So we'll write 1. 35,000. 35,000 means this 1000, as I told you, you have to combine it. So 35. So here 3, 5 becomes 35. So here 8, 100. 8 is in which place? 8 is in 100 place. So here you will write 8. 55. So here 55. Clear? This way you will write the numbers. Now 7 lakh means you need 6 digit number. They have talked about lakhs, so 6 digit number. You please give the place value. Seven lakh. 7 in which place? Lakh. So here you will write 7. 27,000. 27,000 means here 27,000. They didn't inform about the hundred, tens place and unit place. That means if they didn't inform you, that means you have to write 0. Clear? Now we'll move to question number second. 4 lakh. That means you have to write 4 digit. Okay, 6 digit and lakh, 10,000, thousand, hundred, tens and unit. So 4 lakh. 4 in which place here? Lakh. So here 4. 25,000. That means 25,000. 300. 3 is in which place? 100. Here tens and unit place, no information they have given, that means you have to write 0. So that means 4,25,300. Now we'll move question number 4. 9 lakh, that means again you have to deal with the 6 digit number. Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 9 lakh, that means 9 is in lakh place. 9,000, 9,000 means they have single, they have given the single, that means here 9,000, this means 9,000 place. 99, that means here they didn't inform about the 100 place and 10,000 place also. So what we'll do here, 99 and remaining place value you will write with 0. Now in this question, you will, question number 5th and question number 6 is for homework. You have to do this, as we have done the remaining questions. You have to solve this. Thank you students, and if you have any doubt, just comment, okay, and just subscribe our channel. Thank you.